Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe. I said like and subscribe. He's a bad kid. There's a monster! There's a monster! You look like no! You stinker. You stinker. Infinite void. Sampal. What happened to him? He got slap. Are you manly? Are you gay? I mean, are you a man? Are you staring at your dick? What are you staring at? You're deaf? Say. Bad. Ba't ka bumili ng drugs? So guys, you know what I'm going to do? This is a real kid, by the way. He gonna get dementia before he's even a bad. Tulog. Ayaw mo matulog ah. Dementia! Wait. You're only 4. Why are you a kid? Why are you alive? Patayin na tayo. Ha? Hindi ka pa patay? Hindi pa? Hapan na. Pusin na. Kaya nakita nyo pa guys. Triple slash! You stinker. Now sit down, you mortal. Guys! Yeah! Guys! Guys! Why is that arising, ha? Higa. Guys! Yes! Guys! I said arise, you little demon. Picture. I am Kakashi, bro. Fire style! Fire attack! Higa na. Tulog na tayo. Sabi ko, tulog na. Tulog na tayo. Bad ka. Oh, iyak. Yo, stingkay. Arise, demon. Yeah! Wait. Ganyan tayo. Halika. Tara tayo, Super Saiyan. Kalbo ka. 1G! He's the son that has been died in 2 years! Mama! Si Mama? Wala akong paki! Mama! Halika! He doesn't know I have this technique. You stinky! Come back, you little demon news! Wait lang, guys. Hey, baby, I need help! I'm dead. Come here, you little demon. Robin! Hey, demon news! Camille! I said, come here! You're going to get your spanky, bro! Hoy, hindi ko yung naglalay! Why did you go there? My mother has no job! Mama! Say sorry! Mama! Say sorry! Mama! Sorry ka muna, sorry muna. Mama! Say sorry! Say sorry! Toot. Hey, the video. Don't attack the video. They are my fans. They are my fans. Don't dare to attack them. You're stinky. Stop! Don't let them out! I'll use mine! My dress! I broke my desk! Say sorry, demon! Bahay mo na yan. Ano? He's only 4 years old, bro. You stinker. Reverend Ryan. You stinker. Reverend Ryan. Go on, you demon! I cast the spirit out of you! Sini kita senurut. Ikaw na mutos. Nini! Bam! He's dead. So, why are you here? here again? I got that demon out of you! What? 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 Hi! Why are you bad fingering me? You little demon! Bad! 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 Bad, 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 bad. Just sleep. I'm gonna cry. Shut up! How the hell are you alive? I cast that demon out of you, you little mister. Oh, that's you. Hey, I'm lying. Hey, hey. Oh my God! He's no good. I love him. Are you awake? Okay. Are you making out with a girl? This is silence. Why are you awake? Huh? Why are you awake? Why are you now drown? I hurt my eye. Who are you? Because I'm Rickman. Who the hell is Rickman? Oh, it's me. What the frick? Ow! Ow! Nagbibidyo kami! Yeah! Ow! Like and subscribe, guys, because I'm dead.